Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you some amazing websites to help you professionally to promote any product you want, whatever it is, affiliate product, print-on-demand product, digital product, and etc. And these websites are so-called overlay message maker. So first of all, what does it mean by overlay message? An overlay message is a message or a banner that you can create, and it shows up over an article or a YouTube video where you can announce about an offer, service, your product, and so on. So you can use the content of this article or this YouTube video to promote related products. Thus, you can use the traffic of the readers or the viewers of this content to see your message or overlay message. So in this video, I'd like to share with you some amazing and the most famous overlay message makers to help you to promote any product you want with any content, with any field. And now let's begin with the first website for today, that is Sniply.io. Sniply.io, for sure, Sniply is one of the most famous overlay message makers at all. As you see here, add a call to action to every shortened link you share. As you see, your message here, you would be like that. Your overlay message, your brand logo, and your message and your call to action button, okay? That directs people to your product, your store, your website, and so on, okay? As you see. Add your call to action to any page, so website page or a YouTube video. So if we have a look at the pricing plans here on Sniply.io, you will find here this free plan $0 per month. As you see, you have 500 clicks per month. Okay, so you can make here a free account on Sniply.io to make your overlay messages to promote your products, whatever they are. So quickly, just we can click over that, sign up this free plan $0 per month. And then insert your details like your name, your email, and your password. Quickly. Well, here we are on the dashboard of your account on Sniply, and here you will find brand profiles. And you have to remember that in the free plan on Sniply, you have only one brand profile. Call to actions, which means the overlay messages you want to create here on Sniply. Sniply links, the shortened links of articles and YouTube videos. Okay, simply and quickly, you have to go to this one, create a snip, the link of your article or your YouTube video. For example, if you want to promote a product which is about weight loss, so you have to get an article or a YouTube video that talks about how to lose weight, how to be fit, and something like that to create your overlay message. For example, you can get this article, okay, which is about how to lose weight in 30 days, 8 effective ways to try. So you have to get this link firstly, copy and go back to Sniply, okay, and insert here your link. Create a snip. Okay. And here you can go through how to create an overlay message over this article, over this content. So firstly, you have to select your brand, and you have to remember that you have only one brand profile in the free plan on Sniply, this one, okay? Select a Sniply type, this button, show a button call to action like this one, okay? Firstly, you have to upload your profile picture, your brand picture, okay? Select this one. And there you have to insert your message, which is about your product you want to promote through this overlay message, okay? It is related to this content or how to lose weight, okay? Okay, and here you have to insert this button text. Click here, show me more, shop now, and something like that, okay? And here you will put the link of your affiliate product, the link of your print-on-demand product, the link of your digital product, and so on and so forth. Okay, so for example, we can go to this one, for example, this product, if you want to promote cappuccino MST, okay, so we can get this amazing link, copy link here and go back to Sniply and insert here your link, your affiliate link, okay, and here you have to insert some sentences about your product you want to promote, okay, perfect, just you can go to continue. and you will find some customizations of this overlay message. Okay, like this theme, social or full width or candy or pin. So you can select this one, social, as you see, and you'll find some features are limited for the pro users. Okay, and finish call to action. Amazing. And here just you have to copy this link and paste this link everywhere: Pinterest, Quora, Twitter, Instagram, and so on and so forth, to promote this articles, including your overlay message. So you can use this article or this content as a placeholder of your product. Okay, you can promote your product indirectly. Okay, so if you want to open this one in a new browser like this one, okay, copy. And here, if any reader goes to read this article, he will find your message here. He will be taken to your affiliate product, as you see. Okay, that's it. So the first website for today to create an overlay message is Sniply. Okay, the second website for today is Linkaro.com. Linkaro.com. Increase your conversion rate, add a call to action to links you share. And here you will find a beautiful thing that you can create a pop-up message besides the regular overlay message. So firstly, you have to create a free account here on Linkaro.com. Okay, so click over that, get started now. Okay, and after creating here a free account on Linkaro.com, here you'll find 3 different pricing plans: the free plan and the standard plan and the advanced one. So you can select this one, the free plan, and you would have 100 total clicks. So you have to click over this button, subscribe now, and you would be taken to the dashboard of your account to create your overlay messages to promote your products. Okay, as you see here in the dashboard of your account. And firstly, you have to go to this one, call to actions, to create your overlay message. Create a call to action. Firstly, you have to name it like RT. The type, here you will find 3 different types of call to actions here, like scroll box, pop-up message, and banner message. So you can select this one, pop-up message, like that, okay, to promote your product. And here you have to insert some details of your product, like the message headline, your message body, and here you have to insert the button call to action, like shop now, show me more, and something like that. And here you have to insert the link of your affiliate product, the link of your store, the link of your digital product, and so on and so forth. So you can use the link of this affiliate product, this one, copy link, and go back to Cairo and paste here. And here you'll find some customization features, like the background color, text color. Here you can upload your display image, which is about your product you want to promote, like this one, for example. Okay, as you see, this pop-up message. Here you'll find your message headline and your message and the call to action button. Okay, and now we will find a period time, like 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and so on and so forth. And now save call to action. Okay, with this name RT. Perfect. And now we can go back to dashboard to create your overlay message over an article. So here you will find here this bar, and then you have to insert the link of your article you want to create your overlay message on. So we can use this article for weight loss, copy, go back to Linkaro. Okay, paste here, add link, simply. Okay, and we can change this slug, like widows, for example. Okay, here you have to select the type of your call to action, like this one, RT. Okay, the pop-up message, as you see. Perfect. and now save smart link. Simply copy this link and paste everywhere. Quora, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter to promote this article, including this amazing pop-up message. Okay. And now let's move on to the third website for today to create your overlay message, which is share CTA. CTA stands for call to action, so share call-to-action.com. Turn links you share into sales opportunities. So all you have to do is just paste here the link of the destination link, the article link, okay, like this one, copy, paste, create a link, perfect. And now we have to insert the details of your message, your overlay message, like your message, your brand name, your call to action, the link of your affiliate product or your product, whatever it is, and create a link. Okay. And the fourth website for today is Sherry.io. Sherry.io. Place your product in every link you share without any sign up process. Just you can insert here the link of your article, okay, and then you have to insert the details of your overlay message or the details of your product you want to promote through this overlay message. And the last website and the tool for today is write.ly. Here you can add a powerful call to action to your links, as you see that way, okay, as you see. And here also you can create a pop-up message. However, here you will find a free trial, no free plan, but a free trial, okay, as you see, start a free trial. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.